Hello everyone. So today we will study regarding the structure of a flower. The flowers have mainly two types of parts, that is reproductive part and non-reproductive part. Non-reproductive parts will include sepals and petals. So sepal is the green leafy covering which will cover the flower before it has opened. So as the flower will open, the sepals will be the green leafy structures surrounding the petals of the flower. So the group of sepals is also known as calyx. Whereas the brightly colored structures of the flower, it is known as the petals, and the group of petals is known as corolla. Then we have the reproductive structures of the flower, that is stamen and pistil. So stamen is made up of anther and filament, and anther will dehisce to release the pollen grains. Whereas pistil is also known as carpel, and it is made up of stigma, style and ovary. And ovary will later convert into fruit. So there are some terms which are associated with the structure of a flower. First of all, the first term will be anthesis. Anthesis refers to the first opening of the flower. When the flower just opens, that is known as anthesis. Second, we have anther dehiscence. Anther dehiscence refers to the anther which is present in the flower, that is also known as the stamen. It is a part of stamen. The anther will burst open and pollen grains will emerge out of the anther, that is known as the anther dehiscence. And then we have stigma receptivity. Stigma receptivity. So stigma is present in the central portion of the flower, and stigma becomes receptive to receive the pollen grains. How can we identify stigma is receptive? If the stigma is wet and sticky, it is receptive. If it is dry and brown, it is non-receptive. A flower which has both stamens and pistil present in the same flower, it is called as a bisexual flower or a hermaphrodite flower. Whereas a flower which has only stamen is called a staminate flower, and which has only pistil is called a pistillate flower, or we can also call them as unisexual flowers. So now tell me in the comment section, a plant which has both unisexual flowers, that is male flowers and female flower on the same individual plant, is known as